Psychic spies from China try to steal your mind elation. And little girls from Sweden dreams of silver screen quotation. And if you want this kind of dream, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world and all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in the final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication. Pay your Sergeant very well to break the spell of aging. Celebrity skin, is this searching or is that warrior raging? Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softball, dream of Californication, dream of Californication. Marry me, girl, be my fairy to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. And buy me a star in the boulevard, it's Californication. Space may be the final frontier, but it's made in the Hollywood basement. And Cobain, can you hear the spirit singing song of station to station? And all the world's not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those who praise control of population. Well, everybody's been there and I don't mean on vacation. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softball, dream of Californication, dream of Californication, dream of Californication, dream of Californication. Destruction leads to a very rough road, but it also breeds cohesion. And the earthquake or to a girl's guitar, they're just another good vibration. And tidal waves couldn't save the world from Californication. Pay your Sergeant very well to break the spell of aging. Sicker than the rest, there is no test, but this is that you're craving. Firstborn unicorn, hardcore softball, dream of Californication, dream of Californication, dream of Californication, dream of Californication.